Hi, welcome to this video. I'll guide you through how to create horizontal boards in Pinterest. To create horizontal style boards on Pinterest, all you gotta do is just use the mobile app. Let me go back. Sorry. Right. Go back and go ahead and hit the plus button. Right. And we're gonna use the mobile app's collage tool to arrange images in a wide visual format or set horizontal image as the board cover, right? So we're gonna add this picture to my collage, right? If you want to add a new one, you can just go ahead and add a new one and add it to your collage, right? Collages allow you to create an interactive freeform or grid-based layout for vision boards. So consider liking this video, subscribe, until next time, see you.